WDSU first warning weather, and we're seeing a little bit here of a little patch of blue sky. I thought we could see a few rays of sun before sunset. So that shows we're starting to find some movement in the system in the Gulf making its way west, starting to open up the skies a bit east. Visible satellite imagery to show you that right now. And you can see that we've got right over us a few patches of us getting a little bit more sun than some of the others. But quickly, we got to go right to what's happening with potential tropical cyclone Juan. Again, this system is expected to make landfall. Now, it already has winds that are of tropical storm strength. There just isn't organization to classify it as a tropical storm. If it was, it'd be named Alberto. You can still see the stream of humidity all the way northward to us. In fact, it goes all the way farther inland, all the way up into southern Illinois and parts of the Midwest, too. We can start to see that there is a bunch of circulation going on and storm activity blossoming Bay of Campeche right here. So I'm going to continue to monitor this closely. If we see more storm activity blossoming up around it, we could tighten up organization over the next 12 hours, even 6 hours or so, and that might bring this thing together. But still, that is a very broad area of spin that is associated with low pressure. We still have very warm waters there, very highly warm waters, almost 90-degree water temps here, and we have atmospheric humidity that is still pretty high, and we have, at least this is a forecast for wind shear. That's associated with storms, but when you look at the blue and everything around, that is very light wind shear in the environment for that storm to be conducive to its at least development, and the going forecast still shows there's chance for development and to become a named storm Alberto tonight, maybe more by tomorrow evening. But what it really means to us is the system's moving away. Our rain chances are decreasing. Now, we look to the weekend. This happened last night. The National Hurricane Center says yet again, coming out of the Central American gyre, that's the spin of storms in Central America, another system could form in the exact same area. It's a very low chance right now, but again, this is a look ahead to the weekend. Small chance of a system, absolutely no impact, maybe to the southeastern U.S. The going forecast here still shows some potential organization. The big deal is the storm activity going into South Texas, all the way from nearly Houston to Corpus Christi to Brownsville. There's a lot of coastal rain being forecast. Now to the weekend, this is Friday, shows the emergence of another possible system, more heavy rain for the coast of Mexico, possibly for Texas, but again, everything is staying south and well southwest of us. So the takeaway here is the heavy rains moving into Texas. Storms becoming not as widespread for us. We do have stronger winds that are increasing the coastal flood concerns, and those will continue as we have the difference between high and low pressure that's here. Let's see Doppler radar for us and where we've got some showers. I showed this a bit earlier. North Shore, widely scattered rain from Pearl River County, 55, Poplarville, Bogalusa over the Pearl River, Franklinton. A couple of showers making their way over near Rudock and 55. A couple isolated showers, Point Ocean, Grand Bois to Chauvin. And that's about all we've got. You can see the actual clearing skies that we have to the eastern skies. Today's high temperatures only made it to the 80s once again. We may spike up a few more degrees if we get a little sun late. Of course, the humidity hasn't gone anywhere. Those winds from the east, 10 to 20. We've had some gusts, usually with the rain bands at times, 38 to 43. We've got fewer clouds to come tomorrow and even overnight, but we start off 70s and 80s. We are really in a tropical environment. Chance for storms arrives tomorrow. I give it about a 40% chance, but I do think we see some more sun. Yes, locally heavy rain would be possible with any of those storms. The winds are still gusty. Coastal flood alerts. We've got small craft advisories. The high temperature, I think, can spike to about 90 tomorrow. So we'll take the rain chances down. We'll take the temperatures up over the next few days. We've gotten rid of the WDSU first warning weather impact days, but Juneteenth tomorrow. Oh yeah, the summer solstice begins Thursday. And then the weekend, whew, we're back to summer with the heat and humidity and few storms.